Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. We're going to show you this very pretty little coffee can and saucer made by Minton. 1950s this. They have actually got some date stamps on them. H5066 Brocade. They made this in a variety of different colour combinations. This is the turquoise and gold, and it works really beautifully. Absolutely gorgeous decoration on the outer wall of the coffee can, and then this beautiful little patch of floral inner wall decoration, pure white porcelain, not paper thin, quite well. It's just a nice size. This holds probably around 4 espressos. I mean, it's not a tiny little coffee can. There is a little bit of antique wear just on the gilt on the handles, but it's very heavily gilded down the entire outer wall of the handle. Let's have a look at the saucer plate again. Beautifully decorated with the brocade gilt and turquoise banding around the rims. Quite a deep sloping, if I show you the side elevation on that, again Minton China marks, and also impress mark Minton China 357. This 57 and 56 are the date stamps across the set. Now this was sold as a mixed set with different colours, yellows, blues, this turquoise, and some reds and greens. Or you could buy this as individual coffee cans, and in the particular set that we've come on catalogue, they're all turquoise. So I think we've got 5, 6 or 7 sets of these in very good condition, and it's a beautiful little way to have your morning coffee. We'll pop a description link below for you to go directly through. All the measurements and everything will be on the website listing, so do click through if you'd like to find out more about this period 1950s Minton Brocade China. Thanks for watching.